Namaskar, I am Acharya Kalki Krishnan from Ashtodyam.com. In the series of Navratri, this is third day called Tritiya and ascribed to Divine Mother Chandraghanta. What is meant by Chandraghanta? Chandraghanta is the divine goddess who had bell-shaped half moon on her head, and her beauty is more exemplified with this half-shaped moon. On the first day, when Divine Mother was Shailputri, she took birth in the abode of Himalaya. On the second day, she did a lot of prayas, brahmachari, in the form of brahmachari, to be merged with the Shiva, the ultimate God. But now, on the third day, she has achieved her objective and she is now married to the Shiva. Now Shiva and Shiva. Chandraghanta is also known as Chandrika, Radchandi, and Shiva and Shiva both are married now, and both the personality of both have merged now. And what is the form of Chandraghanta? She is married now, so she has to fulfill a lot of responsibilities. Just imagine a married girl or a lady in the marriage. After marriage, she has to fulfill a lot of. She has to take care of her children, her husband, her in-laws, the whole family, the whole household, cleaning, dusting, cooking. So many things are to be performed by her. So Ma Chandraghanta has 10 hands. This is the form of Devi which has maximum hands. Because she has to perform so many responsibilities after marriage. And what she has in her hands? Trident, lotus, mace, water pot, sword, bow, arrow, japmala, the rosary for reciting mantra. These are 8 things she is holding, and remaining 2 hands are in specific postures. One is in Abhay Mudra, the posture of her blessing for all her devotees, and the last one is Gyan Mudra, posture for knowledge, because if you have to fulfill so many responsibilities, you will have to that specific knowledge about how to. Okay, so this is the form of Ma, and she is Trinetra. She has 3 eyes, 2 normal eyes and 1 eye of intuition, the 6th sense, to perform all these responsibilities. This is Ma is very beautiful, and she is riding on a lion or tiger, because she has to fulfill all the responsibilities, and responsibility has another form of lion and tiger. So all the persons who are married, who are householders, should worship Divine Mother Chandraghanta. She should be offered nutritious things, because she has to carry all the household, so she requires a lot of energy. Honey, ghee, milk, porridge, and everything which is nutritious should be offered to the Ma, so that she may please, and she should give her, she should bless her, bless all of us. So if you want success in your household, you want to carry your married life very successfully with all the coordination and harmony, then you should worship Divine Mother Chandraghanta. She is also called the form of Ma Lakshmi, the goddess of money. And the Venus Graha is ruled by Ma Chandraghanta, and she rules Manipura or solar plexus chakra, because Manipura solar plexus chakra provides the nutrition and energy to your whole body. In the same manner, Ma Chandraghanta provides nutrition and blessing. And the mantras for worshipping Ma Chandraghanta, the Bij mantra or seed mantra is Aim Shreem Shaktaye Namah. And another mantra is Om Devi Chandraghantaye Namah. Another mantra is Ya Devi Sarvbhuteshu Chandraghanta Rupene Sanstita Namastasya 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 Namo Namah. And the last mantra is, this is a fourth mantra, and it is very popular, but I don't recommend this mantra in normal course because it is a description of the form of Devi, not exactly the mantra. But for the sake of your knowledge, I will describe this mantra. Vande Vanchit Labhaya Chandrardhkrit Shekharam Trinetra Singharudha Chandraghanta Yashaswinim. I pray to the Divine Mother Chandraghanta, who is very famous and who is adorned with half moon on her head, and she has three eyes, and she is mounted on the lion. So these are the four mantras, and there is a secret behind the half moon adorned by her. If a married woman carries a half moon, and Shiva also, Shiva is also adorned by the half moon. So Shiva and Shiva, Chandraghanta Ma and the Shankara or Shiva, both has half moons. So when you merge both the half moons, you will get full moon. So this is the secret of successful married life. She is also the goddess for the beauty. So if you want to gain beauty on your face or your body, you should worship Divine Mother Chandraghanta. And one more thing, red and yellow colors are used in her worship. For wearing clothes, for offering flowers, red and yellow color are mostly used. Yellow color is the color of happiness and red color is the color of energy. And for successful married life, energy as well as happiness are must. And the one tip I want to give you for getting happy, powerful, famed child. What you have to do, you have to mix pure saffron into the porridge and offer to the Ma Chandraghanta. And after offering to Ma Chandraghanta, just consume, both the couple should consume the whole porridge in the time of evening. And believe me, a lot of people have been benefited with this tip. And the Ma Chandraghanta should be worshipped along with your whole family. And this is she is very, very boonful and beneficial for the happy and successful married life. And last thing, the persons who are following Tantra and Yoga Marga of worship, the path of Tantra, they should recite the mantra Om Ram. Om Ram. This is the mantra only for the persons in Tantra and Yoga. For the general devotees, I have already described the mantras. So let the blessings of Ma Chandraghanta, Divine Mother Chandraghanta, befall upon you. I am Acharya Kalki Krishnan from Ashtodhyam. Namaskar.